I am Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In today's class, we are going to see what is curvature and what is radius of curvature and problems in the Cartesian form. Right. First, what is curvature? What is curvature? We'll see. Curvature. Curvature is nothing but if any one curve is there at this point P, this is the P is the point. At the point P, the amount of bending of a curve at a particular point is called the curvature. So at the point P, I'm calculating the curvature. the amount of bending of a curve at a point P is called curvature. Curvature, we can denote it with GAPA. So we'll use this symbol as, we call it as GAPA, this one. So like K symbol, so you can bend it like this, GAPA. GAPA equal to d psi by ds. d psi by ds. We will write this one as d psi by ds. This one should be the GAPA. GAPA equal to d psi by ds. This is the curvature. What is radius of curvature? Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is nothing but the reciprocal of the curvature. Curvature is called radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature, we can denote it with rho. Rho is nothing but reciprocal of curvature, I told. This is nothing but already I told that GAPA, 1 by GAPA. This only I will write ds by d psi only. I will call it as what is that? Radius of curvature. ds by d psi only we are calling as this one. Radius of curvature. Now, what is that curvature of straight line? So we know that curvature of straight line. Curvature of straight line. What is that curvature of straight line is? There is no bending in the straight line. So that's the way. Curvature of a straight line is 0. Curvature of straight line is 0. What is that curvature of circle? Curvature of a circle. Curvature of circle at any point on it is a constant. Is a constant. At any point on it is a constant and is equal to the reciprocal of the radius of the radius. These two are important, so it will ask in that if you write in JEE main exams or some competitive exams, they will ask this around. So because in curvature straight line should be 0, here curvature of a circle is nothing but is reciprocal of its radius. Now we are going to see what are the formulas for radius of curvature in Cartesian form. Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature in Cartesian form. In Cartesian form. What is the radius of curvature in Cartesian form means? We'll use the formula rho equal to radius of curvature 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. This is the formula for radius of curvature. What is y1? Here y1 is nothing but dy by dx. What is y2 means d square y by dx square. So this is the radius of curvature in Cartesian form. Sometimes what will happen, if you will find the values, if you will sometimes in some cases, if y1 will become infinity, you will substitute, they will give the points x and y values. If y1 will become infinity, then you will write this one, if y1 equal to infinity. So when y1 will become infinity means, we should know that, that means if the tangent is perpendicular to x-axis, when this y1 will become infinity means, if the tangent is perpendicular to x-axis, the tangent is perpendicular to x-axis, then it will be infinity, it will come. So in that case, we may not apply that previous formula. Which formula means this formula, rho equal to 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. This formula you may not apply. Whenever if the tangent is perpendicular to the x-axis, the time y1 will become infinity. The time we can use the formula rho equal to 1 plus x1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by x2. What is x1 is nothing but x1 equal to, we will take dx by dy and x2 equal to d square x by dy square, which is the, so x1 and x2. When I can apply this formula, whenever y1 will become infinity, I will apply this formula. Right, using this, we will see the problems in the radius of curvature. Right, first problem. Find the radius of curvature. Find the radius of curvature. Find the radius of curvature for the folium. Of D Cortes x cube plus y cube equal to 3axy at the point 3a by 2 comma 3a by 2 on it. So this is a problem. Find the radius of curvature for the folium of D Cortes x cube plus y cube equal to 3axy at the point 3a by 2 comma 3a by 2 on it. Now solution. What is the given curve should be x cube plus y cube equal to 3axy. This is the given curve. I'll take this is equation number 1. Now here see, this is a given curve. So here radius of curvature formula should be what is that? Rho equal to 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2, actual formula. If y1 will become infinity, that one I will change it to this formula already I told. But here first I will find equation 1, differentiate with respect to x. If I differentiate with respect to x, differentiation of x cube should be 3x square. Differentiation of y cube should be 3y square into differentiation of y is y1, I will write, equal to, here 3a into xy is there. This xy, I can apply product rule and I can simplify. X into differentiation of y is y1, dy by dx only, plus y into differentiation of x is 1. Now I will write 3x square plus 3y square into y1 equal to 3a into x into y1 plus 3ay. y into 1 should be y only, 3ay I will write. Now we can write this one only. I will bring y1 terms are all one side, remaining terms are all I will take another side. 3y square into y1 minus 3a into x into y1 equal to 3ay minus 3x square. Now if I'll take 3 outside, y square into y1 minus a into x into y1. Even y1 also will take outside. In next step I'll do that one. 3 if I'll take outside here, ay minus x square. Now I'll cancel it this aa. So now remaining afterwards, y1 if I'll take outside, y1 if you'll take outside, y square minus ax equal to ay minus x square. Now I'll write in next step y1 equal to ay minus x square divided by ay minus x square divided by y square minus ax. This is the value of y1. This is the value of y1. I'll write here, say this side I'll write. Right, y1 equal to y1 equal to ay minus x square divided by y square minus ax. This is the value of y1. Ay minus x square divided by y square minus ax. See, after finding y1, this one I will consider as equation number 2. Actually, here I have to find y2 also. First, I will simplify this. This one separately I can simplify. So then afterwards, I can substitute it in the y1. Right. First, I will take what is ay minus x square value. Ay minus x square at what points? 3a by 2, comma 3a by 2. That means x is 3a by 2, y is 3a by 2. Now a into y is nothing but 3a by 2, x is nothing but 3a by 2 whole square. Now if I simplify this, 3a square by 2 minus 9a square by 4. If you take LCM and you can simplify this, you will get LCM should be 4, denominator should be 4, 6a square minus 9a square is nothing but I'll get ay minus x square, the value should be at the point at this point is nothing but 6a square minus 9a square is nothing but minus 3a square by 4. This is the value of ay minus x square value. Separately I am calculating. Similarly, y square minus ax at the points, what is that? 3a by 2, comma 3a by 2. We'll substitute. Y is nothing but what is that? 3a by 2 whole square minus a into x is nothing but 3a by 2. Now you will write 9a square by 4 minus 3a square by 2. We'll take LCM, this is 4. 9a square minus 6a square. 9a square minus 6a square is nothing but we will write it as 3a square by 4. Now y square minus ax at the points 3a by 2, comma 3a by 2, that value should be 3a square by 4. Now I can close this because I used here, I started here this one. Using this we are simplifying because we can use in y2 also, that's only separately I found out this. Now I'll continue with the y1. Now y1 equal to, from equation 2, y1 equal to ay minus x square is minus 3a square by 4 divided by y square minus ax is 3a square by 4. Now you will write y1 equal to, what is that? Minus 1 you will get. y1 is minus 1. Next, equation 2, differentiate with respect to x. You will differentiate with respect to x. You will get differentiation of y1 is y2. denominator should be y square minus ax whole square. Y square minus ax whole square. V is nothing but, what is that? V is y square minus ax. V is differentiation of ay minus x square should be a into y1. Differentiation of y is y1 minus differentiation of x square is 2x minus now we can write ay minus x square, ay minus x square. Differentiation of y square is 2y into y1, 2y into y1 minus differentiation of ax should be a. Is it clear? I think so. So now I know that all the values. So here y square minus ax value, I know that how I have been differentiated. I will explain it here. This is y square minus ax is there. So this is v square. V into y square minus ax, I kept as it is. Differentiation of ay minus x square is a into differentiation of y is y1. Differentiation of x square is 2x minus ay minus x square I am keeping as it is. U I am keeping as it is. Differentiation of y square is 2y into y1. Differentiation of ax should be a. Right. So now if you will put, so we will get here. If I'll substitute this, so what I'll get here saying ay minus x square. So already I found out ay minus x square all. Only I want to find ay1 minus 2x and 2y1 minus a. I'll find it that one also separately. It should be very easy then to substitute ay1 minus 2x at what is the point 3a by 2 comma 3a by 2. If you substitute here a into y1, the value of y1 should be minus 1 minus 2 into x is nothing but 3a by 2. Now you will write this 2 if I'll cancel it. So I'll get minus a minus 3a. So that equal to minus 4a. ay1 minus 2x is minus 4a. Next similarly 2y into y1 minus a. At the point, what is that point? We know that 3a by 2 comma 3a by 2. We'll substitute 2 into y is nothing but 3a by 2. y1 is nothing but minus 1 minus a. So that equal to 2 if we cancel it means minus 3a minus a. So that equal to minus 4a. So that equal to minus 4a. That equal to minus 4a. Now I found out what is that. Already I know that y square minus ax value, what is that? Ay minus x square, I know that I will substitute it directly. So now I'm going to substitute in this formula. So in y2. Right. So here you can close this bracket. So we'll close this bracket. So you will get close this bracket. So now we are going to substitute there. y2 equal to y square minus ax. Y square minus ax is 3a square by 4. 3a square by 4 into ay1 minus 2x. ay1 minus 2x is minus 4a. Minus 4a minus of next one should be what is that here? We know that ay minus x square. Ay minus x square is nothing but minus 3a square by 4 minus 3a square by 4 into this one should be, this one is 2 into y into y1 minus a is minus 4a. Minus 4a whole divided by y square minus ax. The value of y square minus ax is 3a square by 4. 3a square by 4 whole square. Now I can simplify this. y2 equal to, let's see, now we will cancel this. We have to write this one with black color pen. No problem. Anyway, I continued with blue. So y2 equal to 3a square. This 4 get cancelled. So now if we cancel this minus 3a cube Here 3 minuses are there, minus, minus, minus. So we'll get minus. Here I'll cancel it, this 4, 4. You will get minus 3a cube, minus 3a cube divided by, what is that, 9a power 4 divided by 16. Now y2 equal to minus 6a cube into 16 divided by 9a power 4. 9a power 4. So I have reversed this. Now I'll cancel it here. 3 2s are, 3 3s are. A cube and this power get cancelled. So then you will get y2 equal to 2 into 16 is minus 32 divided by 3a. y2 equal to minus 32 divided by 3a. This is the value of y2. y2 equal to minus 32 divided by 3a. Now, once I found out y1 and y2, now where I have to substitute? Substitute y1 comma y2 in the formula. We'll substitute in the formula rho equal to 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. Already I have written, one more time I am writing here. 1 plus y1 is nothing but minus 1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2 is minus 32 divided by 3a. This is minus 1 square is plus 1. 1 plus 1 should be 2 power 3 by 2 into, what is that? 3a divided by minus 32. 2 power 3 by 2 I will write it as 2 power 3 by 2 I will write 2 into root 2 we can write into 3a divided by minus 32. Well, cancel this, I'll get minus 3 root 2 into a divided by 16. I'll get minus 3 root 2 into a divided by 16. I'll get this only. If I'll simplify again, I'll get 3a divided by 8 root 2. We'll get 3a divided by 8 root 2. So now modulus of rho equal to, if you will avoid this, you will get negative symbol will become as positive. Radius of curvature should be in the positive. So now 3a divided by 8 root 2, which is the required solution for the given problem. Right here, simplifications are all I have done separately. So here this one should be separately I have done, and this one should be separately I have done. Then I am using in that equations. Right. So this is the required solution for that given problem. Next question. Next question you can take. Find the radius of curvature. Find the radius of curvature for the curve x square y equal to a into x square plus y square at the point minus 2a comma 2a. Solution. Right, here what is the given curve should be x square y equal to a into x square plus y square. This is the given curve at the point minus 2a comma 2a. The point should be at that minus 2a comma 2a. This is x, this is y. Now this is I'll consider as x square y equal to a into x square plus y square, which is equation 1. Equation 1, differentiate with respect to x. we'll differentiate with respect to x. What you will get here, see, x square, UV rule you have to use, x square into differentiation of y is y1 plus y into differentiation of x square is 2x. Now I'll write a into differentiation of x square is 2x plus differentiation of y square is 2y into y1. Now what we will do, this a I will multiply inside and I will bring y1 terms are all one side and remaining terms are all other side. So x square into y1 plus 2xy equal to 2ax plus 2 into a into y into y1 I'll write. Now if I take this y1 this side, x square y1 minus 2a into y1 equal to 2ax minus 2xy. Now I will take y1 outside, x square minus 2ay equal to, if I take this one, say 2ax minus 2xy, y1 equal to 2ax minus 2xy divided by x square minus 2ay. This is that y1 value. Now I'll calculate it separately, this y1. So what will happen, we have to see. So here if you will calculate separately, so what we will get, we can see. So separately I am calculating. Here are that 2ax minus 2xy at the point or that minus 2a comma 2a. So if you take 2a, x is nothing but minus 2a, 2 into 2a minus 2a into y is nothing but 2a. If you take this, what you will get here, see, you will get 2a into minus 2a is nothing but minus 4a square plus 8a square. Minus 4a square plus 8a square is nothing but 4a square I'll get. Minus 4a square plus 8a square is nothing but 4a square you will get. Then similarly, x square minus 2ay I will take. X square minus 2ay I will take. So if you take x square minus 2ay at the point where that minus 2a comma 2a, well, substitute x square is nothing but that x place minus 2a whole square minus 2 into a into y is nothing but 2a. So this one should be or that 4a square. This is minus 4a square. 4a square minus 4a square should be 0. 4a square minus 4a square should be 0. Now we will substitute these values in y1. y1 equal to, I'll write in next sheet. y1 equal to y1 equal to, first value should be what that we know that the value of first value should be 4a square. 4a square divided by 0. Now y1 equal to infinity you will get. So the value of y1 is infinity. So when y1 becomes infinity, so we have to convert, see already I told that y1 is infinity. y1 is infinity. So then we change to x1. x1 nothing but what is that, dx by dy. x1 is dx by dy. So the time 1 by infinity should be, y1 is dy by dx, x1 is dx by dy, 1 by infinity is nothing but 0. So we will write x1 equal to 0 we will get. Next, that time I'll write y1 already we know that. What is y1 we know that. So that y1 only we are changing to x1. x1 equal to x square minus 2ay, x square minus 2ay divided by x square minus 2ay divided by 2ax minus xy. 2ax minus xy. 2ax minus 2ax minus 2xy. 2ax minus 2xy. What I have done? So I have been taken reciprocal. Reciprocal if you take what is that? This is y1. y1 is dy by dx. That only if you take reciprocal, dx by dy you will get. dx by dy is x square minus 2ay divided by 2ax minus 2xy. This is the value of x1. Now this x1 I will differentiate. Now I can see differentiate with respect to y I will do. Previously, what is that x1? You can write here x1 is dx by dy. We'll do with respect to x. Differentiation of this one should be d square x by dy square. That is nothing but x2. What is the denominator should be? Denominator is 2ax minus 2xy whole square. I'll write 2ax minus 2xy whole square. Here, what is that here saying? V is nothing but 2ax minus 2xy. Now here, be careful. We are not differentiating with respect to x, with respect to y. What is the differentiation of x square with respect to y? That means x containing here y. So the time I will write 2x into differentiation of x with respect to y should be x1 I will write. Minus differentiation of 2ay with respect to y is nothing but minus 2a. Minus I'll write x square minus 2ay. X square minus 2ay I'll kept as it is. Differentiation of 2ax minus 2xy is nothing but differentiation of 2ax with respect to y is 2a into x1. 2a into x1 minus 2 into differentiation of xy is x into y1. Differentiation of xy is x into differentiation of y is 1. Differentiation of y is 1 plus x into differentiation of y is 1 plus y into differentiation of this one should be x1 I'll write here. Y into x1. Y into x1 I'll write. So again I'll write here say d square x by dy square equal to x2 equal to denominator term should be 2ax minus 2xy whole square. Here I'll write 2ax minus 2xy into 2x into x1 minus 2a minus of x square minus 2ay into 2a into x1 minus, here I'll write what is that, minus 2 into x into y should be 1, 2x minus 2 into y into x1 I'll write 2 into y into x1. Right. If you simplify this, we'll get so before simplifying, already I know that 2a x square minus 2ay value, and I want to find here even x1 value also I know that. I have to find separately, this only I have to find. How do you find this one? 2x into x1 minus 2a value I have to find. The points, what are the points we are finding? We are finding at the points minus 2a comma 2a. We will put 2 into x1. So x value should be minus 2a, x1 value should be 0, minus 2a. So you will get this one should be, what is that, minus 2a you will get. Then similarly, 2a into x1 minus 2x minus 2y into x1. At the points, what is that, minus 2a comma 2a, will substitute. x1 value should be, what is that, the value of x1 is 0. 2a into 0 minus 2 into x is nothing but minus 2a. X is minus 2a minus 2 into 0. So that equal to what is that? Plus 4a I will get here. This one should be 2 into minus 2a is plus 4a I will get. Even remaining values are all already simplified. So I'll take directly these values and I'll substitute it in the next step. D square x by, that is x2 equal to that values I am substituting. First term should be 2ax minus, first term is that 2ax minus 2xy is there. That value already we know that. What is that value here is there, say. 2ax minus 2xy value should be 4a square is there. That value I will substitute it first. So x2 equal to 4a square I will put first, 4a square. 2x into x1 minus 2a. 2x into x1 minus 2a is nothing but minus 2a, that value should be. That value should be minus 2a minus of x square minus 2ay value. X square minus 2ay value should be 0. The value should be 0. We'll get minus 0 into. What is this value? Previous one. Next one should be 2ax1 minus 2x minus 2yx1 is there. That value should be here 4a. Value I'll substitute 4a. Whole divided by 2ax minus 2xy value should be. What is the 2ax minus 2xy value? Already we know that. 2ax minus 2xy value should be 4a square. That value I'm going to substitute here. 4a square whole square. Now x2 equal to minus 8a cube I'll get. This one should be 0. Divided by 16a power 4 I'll get. 16a power 4. Now if you get that one, if you simplify that, so you'll get minus 8a cube divided by 16a power 4 means 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. A cube this a power 4. That equal to x2 equal to minus 1 by 2a I'll get. x2 is minus 1 by 2a. Now rho equal to 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2 I'll write. Now 1 plus y1 we will not put. This is the formula. But here or that y1 is infinity. I may not apply this formula. So that's the way I'll write rho equal to 1 plus x1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by x2 I'll write. Now rho equal to 1 plus x1 is nothing but 0 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by x2. The value of x2 is nothing but we know that here for that x2 value I found out minus 1 by 2a. So now I'll write 1 power 3 by 2 is 1 minus 1 divided by 2a. So now I will write rho equal to minus 2a. Rho equal to minus 2a. Modulus of rho equal to, we will write it as 2a, which is the radius of curvature solution for the given problem.